Good evening, Professor. I am from DSL Group 2 and we will be presenting to you our tarot fortune box that is based off a pseudo-random number generator. First, I will be bringing you through our design process and then explain to you how our device works. We started with a quick sketch to lay out the physical design and the UI UX we wanted to have. In essence, we wanted a touchscreen to display the cards and story text, and a fingerprint sensor to receive the seed for our PRNG. We then moved on to design our device in CAD with the components we will be using, and this is the assembled CAD prototype. Afterwards, we built it ourselves, and this is the image of our completed prototype. And here we have a demonstration on how easy it is for a user to use our device to get their tarot readings. They simply need to put their finger on the fingerprint sensor and press the screen. Now, I will be explaining what goes on behind the scenes. After the button on the screen is pressed, the screen sends a signal to the Raspberry Pi that is attached to the back. The Raspberry Pi then sends a signal to the Arduino. The Arduino then sends the start command required for the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor then flashes briefly to capture the fingerprint that is on it, which is sent as 50 bytes of information to the FPGA. The FPGA then takes these 50 bytes and sums it up before repeatedly dividing it to achieve a 16-bit number. This 16-bit number is then combined with the output from a light sensor, which is also 16 bits. Together, they form a 32-bit number inside the FPGA, which is then used to run our Henon map module 8 times. This results in a pseudo-random number generated, which is also 32 bits. It then takes the last 24 bits of this PRNG and divides it into groups of 8 bits, also known as 3 bytes. It then sends these 3 bytes of information back to the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi then maps each byte to a number from 1 to 78, each representing a tarot card. It then takes the corresponding card image and card keywords from its data storage. The RPi then combines the 3 cards and 3 sets of keywords with a pre-written story for the user to read. This provides a superstitious and grand aura for the user, enhancing their experience as seen in this close-up demo. With this, we think our device provides an innovative, interesting, and educational use case for a pseudo-random number generator. Thank you.